Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time tuning in, thank you so much for clicking on my video. So guys, in today's video I'll be showing you all how I make my black soap shampoo. So guys, this is how black soap looks like local black soap. This is how it looks like. You can also use Dudu Oshun or any local black soap that you have around. Okay, so this is the local black soap I can get in my area. So this is what local black soap looks like. I am cutting it into tiny pieces so that when I add water into it, it is going to melt down easily. So after cutting it into tiny pieces, I'll be grating in some ginger into it. Ginger helps to treat dandruff. It balances the pH level of the scalp. It helps to treat scalp itchiness. It makes the scalp healthy for hair growth. Okay, so after adding some ginger into it, I'll also add hibiscus flower. Hibiscus flower is very nice for hair. It helps to strengthen the hair. It helps to darken gray hair. Yes, it helps to darken your hair, and also it strengthens the hair. It also treat the scalp of any form of inflammation. So guys, after adding all the ingredients, I'll go ahead and add very hot water into the mixture. Do not add too much water, just add water that is enough for the amount of soap that you are using. Okay, so guys, this is many hours later, like 6 hours later. As you can see, the water that I added is okay for the consistency that I need. You can see that the soap is very thick. If your soap is thick this way, it is going to lather up very well. Like a little of the soap will go a long way while shampooing your hair. So guys, I'll go ahead and stir everything properly. After stirring it, I will then use the sieve to strain out the clumps of the hibiscus and ginger that I added, or any form of impurity. I am going to be using the sieve to sieve it out, so that when we use it on our hair, we don't get these chafes on our strands. Okay, so guys, this is basically how I make my shampoo. This soap that I got for 500 is the amount I usually get for 200, but things are not very costly in Nigeria. Now it is 500 naira. So guys, if you want to make your black soap shampoo, this technique will help you. Okay, look at the amount that I got. Like, I got a whole lot. This is going to be enough for me for like 3 good months. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe, like the video, turn on your post notification bell, so that when I post a new video, you're going to get notified. So this is the remaining one that I'll be using to wash my hair. And guys, this is how well it lathers. See how foamy my hair is. Thank you so much guys for watching to the end of this video. I will see you all in my next upload. Bye.